Hey there guys, Aaron Brink with Brink's Bees. We're going to do a forced abscond on this tree today. I'm going to be using some homemade honeybee gone, and we've already drilled two holes to start pushing smoke into. So we'll go smoke them out and look for the queen. Stay tuned. March out is happening. See how they're all coming up out of there, just boiling out of there. Some of them have their pollen baskets full, which is a good thing. Now all I'm doing is waiting for the queen. Lucky to get the queen today. Had to cut the tree apart with a chainsaw provided by the owner here. And anyway, smoking them wasn't working, so we cut this large piece off that was right there. And I noticed they were just really clustering right here, and that's where I removed this piece right here. See, they're all over here, and I found her literally crawling right here on top. After I took this one piece off, I dumped it right there in front of my box, and the queen was just crawling right there. So we're done. We're gonna put her in the box and call it a good day.